Your eyebrows define your face. Bold and thick eyebrows are all the rage right now, and everyone, from catwalk models to red carpet divas, is sporting them with great elan. Fuller arches can take years off your face, and enhance your look. If you want to lay a claim to this look, you have come to the right place. These remedies will make your eyebrow hair stronger and thicker, and some of them will also aid fresh hair growth. 1. Castor Oil. Castor oil is one of the most effective remedies for getting thicker eyebrows. It promotes hair growth and also ensures that each hair strand is thick and strong. Massage a few drops of castor oil into your eyebrows with your fingertips. Keep it on for 30 minutes. Wipe with a makeup remover and wash your face with warm water. 2. Coconut oil. Your eyebrows are made up of proteins. Coconut oil reduces protein loss and makes your brows stronger. The lauric acid present in it acts as an antimicrobial agent and prevents infection of the hair follicles. This prevents further damage to your brows and stimulates them to grow faster. Dip the cotton swab in the oil and apply it to your eyebrows. Keep it on overnight. Rinse with a face wash in the morning. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil contains vitamins and E that help in the growth of hair. Vitamin E nourishes each hair strand, while vitamin A stimulates the production of sebum, your body's natural oil, which helps with hair growth. Pour a drop of olive oil on your fingertip and massage it on your eyebrows. Keep it on for a couple of hours and wash it off with face wash and water. 4. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera contains a compound named elan that promotes hair growth. Peel off the outer leaf of the aloe and scoop the gel out. Massage the gel into your eyebrows till it gets absorbed. Store the rest in the refrigerator. Keep it on for at least 30 minutes. 5. Onion juice. Onions are a rich source of sulfur, which prevents hair loss and stimulates hair growth. As onion has a pungent smell, it is best to use lemon juice to remove all traces of the smell. Chop the onion. Put the pieces in a blender and make a paste. Strain this to get the juice. Using a Q-tip, apply the juice to your eyebrows. Keep it on for an hour. Wipe it off with a cotton ball soaked in diluted lemon juice. 6. Vitamin E. Vitamin E oil promotes hair growth and strengthens fragile hair. It contains tocotrienol, an antioxidant, and helps reduce any stress that may be restricting your hair growth. Break open the vitamin capsule and apply the oil present inside on your eyebrows. Massage for a few minutes and leave it on overnight. 7. Egg yolk. Egg yolks are a rich source of biotin that helps your brows grow faster. Separate the egg yolk from the white. Beat the yolk till you achieve a smooth consistency. Apply it to your eyebrows with a Q-tip or a brush. Keep it on for 20 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. 8. Rosemary Essential Oil. Rosemary oil has been found to have an effect on hair growth. It stimulates blood circulation and cell division, causing fresh hair growth. Add the rosemary oil to jojoba/olive oil. Gently massage your eyebrows with this concoction, and keep it on overnight. Wash with a face wash in the morning. 9. Milk. Milk is believed to be good for hair growth, as it contains many essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Soak the cotton ball in the milk. Gently massage your eyebrows with the cotton ball. Keep it on for 15 minutes and then wash with water. 10. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is known to unclog pores, and this promotes fresh hair growth when applied to the eyebrows. It also prevents hair thinning and hair loss. Mix the essential oil with the carrier oil, and massage this into your eyebrows. Leave it on overnight.